awesome when you, well, first of all, let me start. This is Percy on the Balance of Life. And just want to say that it's awesome when you make goals and you achieve them. And a year ago, I got rid of my truck because I didn't think I would need it. But now we've become more focused on maybe eventually moving to the land. So, got another truck. It's on the side. Oh, window down, hon. Yeah. Yeah, turn. Turn. Yeah. Okay. So you got your lights now. Uh, where's what? What you looking for, hon? Open the door. Open the door, your light will come on the inside. What are you trying to find for? Oh, you got music on. Okay. Okay. Love you more. Get out of here and go to work. Have fun. Remember, it's longer than your car. But, like I say, good things just keep happening, even amidst all this high gas, everything else. You can have whatever you want to have. Just put your nose to the grindstone, work and figure out a way, make changes to make improvements, you know. But anyway, live with the purpose. This is Percy for the Balance of Life. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great one. Bye for now.